Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use LSEG Workspace as a complete beginner. Alright, let's begin. Let me give you a quick overview of what we will cover in this tutorial. First, we will start by learning how you can access the LSEG Workspace through the Request Details option, where you submit your basic information to get the software. After that, we will explore all the key data solutions offered inside LSEG Workspace. This includes everything from real-time market data to reference data services. Next, we will go through the datasets, such as commodities data and global pricing data. Finally, we will look at the three analytics solutions, so you understand how they support research and financial analysis. Now, open your browser and go to the LSEG Workspace website. When the page loads, the main option you will see for accessing the platform is the Request Details section. You simply click on the Request Details option. Once you do that, a form appears asking for your basic professional information. You will need to enter your name, email address, phone number, company name, job title, and country. After filling in all fields, click Submit. LSEG will contact you later with access instructions based on the details you provided. If you are not ready to submit your information yet, you can still explore the website and learn about LSEG Workspace. The homepage contains important sections such as Overview, Features and Benefits, Workflow, Workspace Updates, Installation Guide, and Technical Documentation. This allows you to understand the platform without needing an account. Let us now move into the main sections of the LSEG Workspace, starting with the Data Solutions category and then exploring the available datasets. This part is important because it shows how powerful the platform is, especially for research, analysis, and market study. We begin with real-time data. In financial markets, timing is everything, so LSEG provides information across different latency levels. You will find ultra-low latency data, which is used in environments where every microsecond matters, such as algorithmic trading. Then there is low latency data, which is suitable for institutional research and live monitoring. Overall, this section is essential for anyone who needs fast, accurate, and continuous market updates. Next, we have data management and delivery. This part focuses on how LSEG transports data securely and efficiently. It includes advanced distribution systems that connect you directly to global markets. These systems reduce delays, improve reliability, and help organizations handle large amounts of information. This section is especially useful for teams that work with analytics tools, trading platforms, or internal databases. Now we move to quantitative data solutions. This area is designed for users who work with numbers, models, and strategies. These tools help you build investment models, test trading ideas, run backtesting, and study patterns in the market. Because the data is deep and well organized, it becomes easier to extract insights and make better decisions. Many research teams and financial analysts rely on this section to support their quantitative strategies. After that, we explore reference data and pricing services. This category gives you clean, accurate, and standardized information across different asset classes. It includes reference data, regulatory data, and pricing services. Reference data helps you correctly identify financial instruments. Together, these services support everyday workflows such as valuation, risk management, portfolio analysis, and market monitoring. Now we enter the datasets section of LSEG Workspace. We start with commodities data. The commodity market plays a major role in the global economy, and this dataset provides detailed information about pricing and fundamentals. You can study commodities such as oil, natural gas, metals, agriculture, and even freight and weather conditions. This is helpful if you want to understand how supply, demand, transportation, or climate can influence prices and market behavior. Next is company data. This dataset contains a wide range of content about thousands of companies around the world. You can view financial statements, management information, corporate actions, ownership structure, business descriptions, and much more. It gives you everything you need to study a company's performance and compare it with competitors. Then we move to economic data. This is one of the most extensive datasets available. It includes more than 16 million indicators from 215 countries and regions. Whether you are doing research, writing a report, or analyzing long-term patterns, this dataset is extremely useful. Next is news data. LSEG integrates news directly from Reuters, and this coverage is exclusive to the platform. You get real-time updates, breaking news, market developments, and expert insights. Having trusted news in one place allows you to quickly understand how events affect companies, sectors, and markets. Finally, we have pricing and market data. LSEG is considered a leader in this area. You can access global price updates, trading activity, volume details, and market insights across multiple asset classes. This dataset helps you monitor the market, study trends, and make informed investment or research decisions. Now let's move to the analytics tools within LSEG Workspace. The first analytics tool in LSEG Workspace is Lipper. Lipper is a comprehensive database designed to analyze the performance of mutual funds and other investment vehicles. It allows users to compare funds across different categories, evaluate historical performance, and identify consistent top performers. Access to Lipper requires completing the Request Details form, where you provide your name, email, job title, company, and other necessary information to gain authorized entry to the tool. The second analytics tool in LSEG Workspace is StarMine. StarMine uses advanced quantitative models to evaluate stocks and forecast price movements. It examines factors such as earnings quality, analyst revisions, valuation metrics, and company scoring systems to provide actionable insights. Research teams, hedge funds, and quantitative analysts rely on StarMine for data-driven decision-making. Access to StarMine is granted through the Request Details form, where you submit your professional information to gain authorized entry. The third major analytics tool in LSEG Workspace is YieldBook. YieldBook is a comprehensive platform for fixed income analytics, allowing users to model bond cash flows, evaluate risks, and assess performance. It supports scenario analysis, stress testing, and portfolio optimization to help make informed decisions. Fixed income traders, portfolio managers, and risk teams widely use YieldBook to monitor investments and manage risk effectively, ensuring accurate analysis and reporting. To get access to LSEG Workspace, you need to fill the Request Details form. There is no direct sign-up or instant registration option. In the form, you provide your name, email address, job title, company, country, and contact number. Once you submit this information, the LSEG team will review your details and verify them to ensure proper access. After verification, they will contact you with instructions on how to log in and begin exploring the platform. This method ensures secure access and allows you to start using all the features of LSEG Workspace, including market data, analytics, and reporting tools. Inside LSEG Workspace, you can create dashboards, track markets, explore datasets, and run analytics. Traders, analysts, and portfolio managers can monitor prices, financials, and risks. The platform allows full customization, fast search, and integration with spreadsheets, APIs, and cloud systems. Tutorials and documentation support learning and workflow efficiency, so that is how you can use LSEG Workspace as a complete beginner. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!